Good morning, multimedia students. This is Mr. McCarthy here. As you well know by now, I am not physically present in class today, but I've sat down here to orchestrate your lessons and activities for today. So I'm going to outline those for you right now. Um, these files here will be listed on the website. You probably see the links already in my time. I haven't put them up yet, but they will be listed up here. Okay, what I have open right now is practice page 1 HTML. It's this file, and I'm going to outline a procedure here for you in just a moment. And then I'm going to ask you to apply that procedure to 4 pages in which you find the errors, the HTML errors on these pages, and essentially fix them. And in doing so, you're going to be practicing your understanding of HTML and how it works. Okay? So what I'm going to do right now is this. I'm going to fill up the page with this code. By the way, let me actually bring this back down. Whoops, it went away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that exact page, and as you saw it, where is it? Right here. Let's bring that down inside, or bring that back up inside. And as you can see, the tags or the code isn't stacked like we normally do. What I've done is I've put it in one straight line. And what I want to demonstrate for you is this will still work. It doesn't have to be stacked. Okay, so this is practice page multimedia 1. It works. Okay, but I've taught you to stack the tags for a specific reason. And the reason I've asked you to stack the tags is in order to be able to read your code clearly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to stack the tags. So follow along. I'm just going to break these out one at a time. Whenever I see an ending or a right bracket, I'm going to break it, and I'm just going to list all of these items all the way down. It's going to take me just a little while. I'll leave that there. I'll leave the unordered list there. There's a list item, list item, list item. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for end tags, and I'm breaking after the end tag. Okay, there's the end of the unordered list. There's an end of a paragraph. That's the end of the body and HTML. Okay, so here's what we're looking for. Here's the beginning tag, HTML, beginning tag of the entire HTML document, the end tag of the entire HTML document. Always the first right here, always the last right here. Okay, title is embedded before body begins. And notice we have a beginning title tag and an end title tag. Okay, and so this is embedded between HTML and body. What shows up on the actual web page here is contained within the body. So notice body tag starts here, and always the second to the last tag before the end HTML is always end body. Okay, so this is essentially what we see here. Okay, and within that, we see a series of beginning and end tags. The one exception are these break tags. And as you know, or you should know by now, a break tag, excuse me, simply breaks the line and moves things down the page. Okay? Here is a beginning paragraph tag. I'm going to search out the end paragraph tag. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. This is it. Okay? So I started my paragraph here, and it ends here. Notice what happens here. I start another paragraph. I do not want to start another paragraph until I end the paragraph that I began. Okay? This is a beginning tag. And this is where the end tag lies. Everything contained within it is one unit. Notice that within this paragraph tag is a bold tag, and that bold tag ends before the paragraph ends. In other words, the bold, there it is, beginning and end, is embedded within the paragraph. It's contained. Oh, wait, stop. I don't want to look up. Come back. All right. So what was I talking about here? So easily distracted. This is my bold, beginning bold, end bold, with the word bold inside. It's embedded inside of my paragraph. Okay? We put the beginnings and end tags inside of the beginnings and end tags of other things. We're embedding smaller units into larger units. This is a smaller unit within a larger unit that's contained within an even larger unit. Okay? And this happens to be side by side with, let me do this real quick. This happens to be side by side with a similar unit. It's laid out just a little bit differently. I'll break that, make it the same. Okay, so in this sense, italic is laid out. Whoops. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, so italic here with the beginning paragraph tag to end paragraph tag with the italics embedded inside of the two P's is exactly the same as the beginning bold and end bold embedded within the two P's. That's the paragraph. Okay. Notice here we have a beginning paragraph tag. I'm going to look for the end of it. Where is it? I don't see it anywhere. There it is right there. So beginning paragraph here, end paragraph here. Let's see what's embedded inside of it. Embedded inside of it is this. The unordered list, UL, that's the beginning tag, and the end UL. Easier to see if I were to do this. That's why we stack. There's the beginning tag, there's the end tag. That's why we stack it. In this case, the LI stands for list item. Here's the beginning tag for this one. Here's the end tag. Okay, I could just as easily do what I've done before and stack them like that. Sometimes, and this is just me personally, it's just easier to see it as an actual list. I can just quickly check that this is beginning, the end's here, beginning's here, ends here, and all the way down. Okay, my telephone's ringing. I'm going to pause right now and get right back to you.